These are the best Forex brokers in Mexico in 2025. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking to latest when it comes to Forex and CFD trading insights.
In this video, we're going to uncover the very best Forex brokers in Mexico in 2025. Justin, new year, new country, we're looking at Mexico now. We've been writing about and reviewing brokers in Latin America and particularly Mexico for a little while now. I think this is our second year. And we've got a new list of brokers that we're promoting there that we think have really taken the market by storm. Who do we recommend as the very best Forex broker in Mexico in 2025?
Sure, so it's Pepperstone that we're recommending this year, and globally we've recommended Pepperstone for 3 years in a row as the best overall Forex broker, including this year. But when it comes to the region of Mexico, what we like about Pepperstone is that they are probably the fastest growing broker in the region. They can be trusted. They're regulated in countries such as Australia, ASIC, CISEC, in Europe, FCA in the UK. So lots of regions they're regulated. Another region is their trading fees. So this is really important. So they have a standard account, which we think's mediocre, but their raw account, also known as ECM, which has a spread and commission, that has really low trading costs. Look at our methodology section. We actually detail how we came to find Pepperstone to be such good value. Two other factors is their customer service. Obviously, it's locally based and it's their 24/5, so it's always there, very responsive. The people there know it really well. And the final element is the trading platform. So they offer all the trading platforms. So MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView. They even have their own proprietary platform, which is ideal for beginners. So literally, they're covering all the bases in the region of Mexico, which is why we've rated them the best Forex broker in 2025.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at number one. At number two, we've featured Eightcap in the Mexican market. Why Eightcap?
Sure, so Eightcap are a great one if you're looking to trade more exotic markets. So let's say you want to trade cryptocurrency. Well, Eightcap offer the largest range of cryptocurrencies, but they do this with the lowest fees. It's the same when it comes to shares, precious metals, etc. So look, quite a few brokers do offer an expansive range of products, but what they do is on these lesser traded products, they increase the fees. And Eightcap don't do this. So if you want to trade more than just traditional Forex, I would be definitely looking at Eightcap as the best option there.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at one, Eightcap at two. At number three on the list for 2025, we had Oanda. Interesting choice for Mexico. Why do we have Oanda on the list at number three in Mexico?
Sure, so Oanda is the most trusted broker in the world in 2025. So they have the most regulation there. Regulated, for example, in Canada. They're regulated in the USA. They have a really strong presence within Mexico and have so for quite a few years. So you can trust them. And then when it comes to actual trading platform, it's the easiest to use. So it's the easiest to open an account, the easiest to make your initial trades. Their customer service is really probably the strongest when it comes to beginner traders. So often where people new to trading, they'll come to us and they'll say, I want a broker that I can trust, that's going to make it easy, and I can just get started. And Oanda is definitely that choice.
Okay, so we've actually got a list of 4 of the best brokers in Mexico in 2025. And fourth on the list, I guess they get a special mention, is ExNess. Again, new broker we just started working with not too long ago, but we really like them in the Latin American region. Why do we like them specifically in Mexico?
Sure, so ExNess is probably one of the most popular brokers in the world, and the primary reason is a trading experience. So for example, leverage. You obviously need leverage when you're trading, and ExNess, believe it or not, but now has an unlimited leverage offering. If you're not going to go down that avenue, they also offer up to 500 to 1. So by far they're offering the best leverage. They offer really fast execution speeds, wide range of markets. So if you're looking to do something like scalping, high frequencies, etc., or you have a very specific trading strategy, ExNess will probably be the right broker to meet your needs.
Okay, so let's summarize it for everybody back home. At number 4 on the list, I guess our special mention Forex broker in Mexico in 2025 was ExNess. In a sentence, why?
If you want the highest leverage, obviously Unlimited's the best, and ExNess will offer you that.
At number 3 on the list, we had Oanda. Why do we like Oanda in Mexico in 2025?
If you just want to get started, you haven't traded before, you're looking for a broker that's easy to use, that you can 100% trust, it's Oanda hands down.
Okay, at number 2 on the list, we had Eightcap. We like Eightcap globally, but why do we like them specifically in Mexico?
Sure, they offer the widest range of markets, and so on something like cryptocurrency, they'll offer the widest range. But not just that, they offer the lowest fees on these additional markets. So often you'll find other brokers are charging a premium to trade these markets, Eightcap doesn't.
Okay, and the number 1 best Forex broker in Mexico in 2025 was Pepperstone. In a couple of words, why?
They are the best Forex broker in the world in 2025. Best customer service, very low fees. They offer all the trading platforms, and they have really fast execution speed, the second fastest of any broker. So if you're looking to do something like expert advisors and automation, they are the best broker to meet your needs.
All right, there you have it, guys. The very best Forex brokers in Mexico in 2025. If you like the sound of these brokers, we've attached links to each of the reviews on our website, so you can do a little bit more in-depth research down below in the description. Please don't hesitate to leave us a thumbs up, to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about us, and if there are any videos you'd like us to create for you in 2025 to aid you on your trading journey, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section as well. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.